Okay, so I have received my PR-40 from Gamma Fitness through Amazon today, and I'm going to try my best to put it together. So first I have assembled the two base legs parallel to each other, and then I have connected them with the connecting leg. The two parallel legs are numbered, as you can see. For example, 10, 12, 11 and 9. So my plan is to attach these four legs according to the numbers. For example, I'm going to attach the part which has the number 10 to this number 10 and so on. Yeah. Okay. So I'm connecting the connecting leg to the two parallel legs, as you can see. Okay, it has been moderately connected. So these are the legs, the pillars basically. So as you can see here, there is a number 12 here. If you can see, you can zoom in. And respectively, so there is a 12 on the base. So I am going to connect it like this. So I have made this pillar which has number 11, actually that is actually number 11. This is number 11, as you can see, with this number 11. Okay, so now I have just attached these two legs with their respective numbers. I have screwed them I have nutted them from the below. And now I am going to do the same for these two legs, which are numbered 10 and 9 respectively. Oh! Okay. So now I am connecting the top bars. I have already finished the bottom, and now I am going to start joining the four top bars. So here I go. I am now installing the pull-up bar. These two are the pull-up bars. I am installing them. As you can see, if you come to this side, there is 1 and 1. So I'm following the same principle. That is, I am aligning each equipment with each number. Same goes for that side too. My guess is this pipe is around 8 feet tall. So I have now finished attaching all the 4 top compartments, and I think after I finish tightening the screws, my basic PR framework will be complete. I have to still attach the lat fold down of this model, and small attachments are remaining to be attached still. Now basically the power rack frame is ready. I have to still put spotter arms. There will be a lat pull down in this area, spotter arms, and there will be a dip bar on the outer legs. But for now, sort of that has been. It's assembled. My pull-up bars, slight. So yeah.
The lat pulley is getting assembled by Sujit.
Saka?
Assembling the top pulley.
So now I am fixing the lat pulley mechanism. I am fixing the steel pipes which hold up this structure. I have fixed this. The nut is coming from the bottom. The bolt is attaching to the steel rod from the bottom, and now it is attached. Hand tight, and now it's done. The toolbox gives me some nuts now. Nuts and bolts. The same thing I'm going to do. The same thing I'm going to do for this one also. Same procedure. I'm going to attach this and then done. Just tighten it. So now I have attached these two steel rods to the bottom and top of the lat pulley system. I think these two are attached so that just to help with the overall structure and to give it more strength. Okay, so as you can see, we have attached the pulleys to the main framework of the rack. So if you can bring the camera here, we have attached the pulley system here, up and down. So these are the main bodies. Now what we have done is, this system which holds the weight plates, which you use to, you mount the plates on this and then you pull it down. So that came separately. So what we did is, we put these two steel pipes into this hole. If you can bring the camera here, we can show them that we put these two steel pipes into that hole, and then we attached it from the bottom. So from the bottom a screw goes into the pipe. So we attached it and we left it like this. And then the same thing from the up, this is a screw which goes up. There's a hole up, there's a screw which goes there. So from there we attached it here. So basically our lat pull down system is done almost. We are still left with mounting the cables. As you can see, the best way to verify if you have attached your lat pull down system correctly is, this thing where you load your plates on, should be freely movable. It's freely movable. This is what, when you pull, this is what goes up with the weight. See, this is freely movable. It goes still up. It's freely movable. That's all. Okay, so this is how the lat pull down system of the power rack looks after complete assembly. Now I will tell you all the step-by-step procedure of how to put these cables. So first step is, you take one side of the cable. It will be locked beforehand, so you have to remove that lock, and then you have to pass it through this hole first, and then you have to tie it. And then you have to safely secure it using this mechanism, this lock mechanism. Next, you bring that wire up like this. You bring it up. Remember to take it from the outside of the last pulley. Bring it up to the second pulley too, and then you should bring it down. And then if you can observe, there is this system where there are two pulleys. So what we have done is, we have taken it from the lock up, all the way up, taken it from the back, and then we have put it there to this pulley. And now the wire will run from here down, again it will come up, and then goes to the top of this pulley, and then finally you will find that it will rest there. At the end, you should attach this ball bearing kind of thing, this kind of ball substance, whatever this is called, and then make a loop, and the same thing, use this mechanism to secure it. I have attached a lat pull down bar too, which also comes with the package. When you pull it, it goes up. Now for the second part, you can observe that there's another hole here. So to do the same thing, take the cable through this hole and secure it using the lock mechanism. Next, bring this cable up, and then bring it through the lower pulley of the two pulley system. Take it inside and then bring it out. Next is, what you should do in this step is, remove the pulley using the screw. Remove the pulley, bring the wire down first, then attach the pulley and then tighten it. So you will get it somewhat like this, if you can understand. So if you pull it, it comes like this. So the final one looks like this. Another small summary. Step 1, attach it to this and secure it with lock mechanism. Bring it up, and from the outside bring it to the first two pulleys. Then bring it down again, put it through the first pulley of the two pulley system, again take it up and bring it to the end of the next two pulleys. And at the end, remember to secure it using the ball and this mechanism. It should be exactly like this. And then you can attach whatever you want. For the bicep exercise lat thing, take it to this hoop, again secure it, bring it up like this, put it through this down pulley, bring it down back, and bring it through this pulley such that the wire should come, and then remember that this mechanism should be locked from this side. So that is how it is done. So this is how it looks in the end.